Hey there! If you ever find yourself needing to measure someone's height but don't have a measuring tape around, don't worry. Your iPhone can come to the rescue. Thanks to the built-in Measure app and its cool augmented reality technology, you can quickly and easily get someone's height. Let me walk you through the steps on how to do this with your iPhone. First things first, find the Measure app on your iPhone. It usually comes pre-installed on most devices, especially the newer models like the iPhone 12 and later. Next, stand a few feet away from the person whose height you want to measure. Make sure they're standing up straight on a flat surface and that there's plenty of good lighting around. Then point the camera at the person, ensuring that their entire body is visible on your screen from head to toe. The app will automatically recognize this person and you'll see a line appear above their head indicating the measurement. After that, once the app identifies the person, it will show their height in real time at the top of the screen. You can choose to view it in either feet and inches or centimeters, depending on what you prefer. By following these simple steps, you can easily measure someone's height right from your iPhone. It's a super quick and convenient method when you don't have traditional measuring tools available, and the results are pretty accurate for general use. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're all set to measure heights like a pro using just your iPhone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Happy measuring!